Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got another tutorial for you guys, but before we get into it, if you guys like these type of videos, then be sure to like and subscribe to see more. But without further ado, let's get into it. Today I'll be teaching the whip rollover, which looks like this. Alright, so to do the whip rollover, you need to get into this position, and you can really do this any way you want to. You can just do a double rollout simply, you can fan and go into it, you can do a Y2K and then go into it. You can do really any way, or you can just literally start it like this if you're just learning. It might be easier for you. It's whatever you want to do. And you can also start on either handle. It's just if you start on the bite handle, there is a chance of being cut if you're using a live blade. So I recommend starting out on the safe handle if you're just learning. So all you want to do is just get into this position somehow, holding on to the safe handle, or if you want to start on bite, with the blade down. Alright, so now all you got to do is take your index finger and put it on top of the handle, safe handle in this case, and you're going to do kind of like how you do on a helix, if you know how to do that. You're going to turn the whole balisong horizontally, and with the bite handle going over to the left with your index finger on top still, and you're going to do a little rollover on your index finger. And as you're doing this motion, you're going to let go with all your other fingers and let it roll over your index finger. You're only going to do a little rollover like this. It's not a big rollover or anything. And whenever you catch, you just want to catch with your index and your thumb like this. And from here, you're going to throw the bite handle on top of your index finger, grabbing it still with your index and thumb. And what you're going to do is, after you throw it back up, you're going to let it fall back down. And as you're doing so, you're going to rotate the safe handle in between your fingers. You get a loose grip on it and just simply rotate it to where you can go into a Zen rollover right after that. So you're here whenever you catch and throw it up, let it go back down, and then you're just going to rotate it and do a Zen rollover, and that's how you do the whip rollover. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video.